Everhour plus Asana time tracking tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can track your time for your Asana tasks with Everhour. We will be integrating our Everhour into our Asana. So now Everhour is a platform which is a time tracking software where you can actually track your time, and it is an amazing platform. On the other hand, Asana is a project management software, and it has this option where we can actually integrate many apps into Asana to make it a better workspace for ourselves. And we will be integrating our Everhour account to our Asana so that we can track our time for different tasks on Asana as well. So let's get started. At first, what you have to do is just sign up or log in to your Asana account. If you do not have signed up, what you have to do is just simply sign up or buy the free trial for Asana. This is what your dashboard will look like. This is one of the projects that I have opened up right now. It's a project called YouTube, and there are different tasks and topics that my project has. Now, I want to add an integration into my Asana, which is Everhour, and I want my Everhour to get linked to my Asana so that I can track time as well. So what I will do is I open the project, and in the project you will see the option of customize right here. We click on customize, and then I'm gonna scroll down and you will see different options. And when you scroll down, you will see an option of apps. In apps, you can see that right now I do not have any app connected to my Asana, but you will see the option of connect Asana with the tools your team uses most. And I will click on add app. When you click on add app, you will see this screen right here, and it says add apps, and here you will actually see a lot of apps that you can integrate with Asana. Now this is good thing about Asana, that you have the option to integrate whatever app you want to integrate. So I'm gonna go for Everhour. So what I will do is I will scroll down and I will look for Everhour, and it should be okay. So it should be right here, and what I will do is I will scroll down. Okay, I cannot see it. So what I will do is you will see the option of view the app directory. If you cannot find the app you are looking for example, right now we are looking for Everhour, so I will click on view the app directory, and it will take me to all of these different apps that we can integrate into Asana, and this is the app directory. And here you find Everhour right here. You can see there are actually many different apps that you can integrate. I'm going to click on Everhour because we are going to connect Everhour to our Asana. So I will click right here on learn more. There you go. You can see Everhour plus Asana. Track time, estimate tasks, set up a fixed fee or recurring budget. So you will see this is how now Everhour will be integrated into my Asana. So what I have to do is just click on get Everhour, and I will click on get Everhour, and now it will take me to my Everhour, my account, so that I can track time with my Asana. So you can see Asana time tracking integration that Everhour has. Now I am at everhour.com. So Everhour has this integration called Asana. So both of these platforms have integrations. Everhour has Asana and Asana has Everhour. So that's how we, integrate these two. So I will click on try with my Asana. Process is super easy, guys. You just, integrate, you just find the app, and then you simply, add you grant permission, and then you can just simply add any app to your Asana. So they're asking me to grant permission. You can see right here that Everhour is requesting permission to use Asana Connect to access your Asana account. So I will obviously allow it. When I click on allow, now I will be able to add my Everhour to my Asana. So here, guys, what they're asking me is to log into my Everhour. Now I will just simply add my information real quick, and then we will move on. Once you have added your information, you will simply click on continue. Now guys, they're actually asking me to integrate my Everhour as a Chrome extension if I want to. So if you want to, add your time tracking Asana as your browser extension, you can do that. If you do not want to, you can actually, skip this step. But I'm just, gonna go ahead and install for Chrome really quick because it literally takes 1 second and it will be better. So once I do that, my Everhour will be integrated as my Chrome extension and I will be able to use it for my Asana to track time really easily. So yeah guys, now when I come back to my Asana, you can see this is where we started from. This is my project that I opened, right? But now when I will see right here, you will see the timesheet option right here, and when I click on it, it will open up my Everhour. You can see this is how Everhour is added to my Asana. It was super easy, right? And it's super easy steps, and all we did was just go to apps, and then you can actually now integrate as many apps as you want to. So we have integrated our Everhour to our Asana. So now I can just come here to my Everhour and go to my weekly. If I want to add a task, I can just simply go ahead and add a task, and in my add task option you will actually see my when the project option, you will see my Asana projects as well as my Everhour project. Now these two apps are actually integrated into each other, and I can manage my Asana task, Asana projects on my Everhour, and I can track time on my Asana with and I can manage my Everhour task on my Asana as well. So now these two are actually integrated. Super easy. So I can now go to maybe my Everhour task, or add another task or another list if I want to. It's super easy. All you do is just select and add a task. Now when you add task, you can actually track time of that task as well. If you want to go ahead and add a task on your Asana, so when you will add any task to your Asana, for example, if I click right here, and if I add a new project or a new task to my, let's add new project, and I will add a blank project really quickly, and let's give it a name, task 2, and it should be a list. Continue, and I will just simply go to my project, and you can see I have created a new project which is called task 2. Or maybe let's add it, and let me give it a name so you have an idea. Let's just give it a name, demo project, and I have edited the details. Let's go back. So you can see this is the project that I created, a new project. If I click on my timesheet, and when I go to my Everhour and I add a task, you will see that my new task that I created, which was initially called task 2, we just changed the name, and if I reload it, then it will actually show me the new name. So if I want to add a new task, add a new project, so you will see that all the project that I add right here, they have this integration called Everhour that we just added. So yeah guys, this is how you add your Everhour to your Asana, and this was an Everhour plus Asana tutorial. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to track your time on Asana very easily. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.